Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, April 20th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. This Dow is pretty crazy. You know, we were down 270 points or something on Friday, and today the thing goes up 208. It is very difficult to make money in that kind of environment. You know, you really expect some kind of trend, and if it goes wildly one way one day and wildly the opposite the other day, it's not really easy to make money. We actually did make a little money today. We closed out positive $1,400 from the two positions we had that we carried over the weekend that we got out of, and we picked up an additional positive $1,300 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. But this open trade has me a little bit concerned. For a day that the Dow goes up over 200 points, we have 12 positions, and 8 of them are positive, 4 of them are negative, but nothing really big negative, and yet in spite of all that, we're only carrying positive $1,300, and you know $1,300 with 12 positions can go sour real fast. So I'm not too happy with this, and I basically, I hate to call today's rally a fake, but that's the way it felt to me. It really didn't seem to have a lot of substance, and that is reflected in our relatively poor showing for the day the Dow goes up over 200 points. I hope I'm wrong. Anyway, I'm calling the Dow down tomorrow. As I say, I think this was a phony rally, and it's going to continue the downside action that started on Friday, and we will see that tomorrow. That is my call. I'm kind of going out on a limb with that, and there's probably many people that might disagree. We'll just have to see what happens. We did have some decent trades today. I'll show you a couple of them. These are in our new stocks also, which is kind of interesting. This first one is in CYTR. That's Citrix Corporation. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm not absolutely sure. But anyway, CYTR. We bought this on Friday. Right out of the gate, it did go up some, closed fairly positive. We had a nice gap up this morning. Unfortunately, it pulled back by the time we got out, but we still took over $2,000 out of CYTR. So I'm happy about that. And then we had another new stock here that did pretty good. This is, as I say, we haven't taken a trade in this. This is GNE, and GNE is thin as Twiggy. And if you don't know who Twiggy was, well, she was pretty thin. Anyway, we jumped into this and this pop-up this morning on the second hour. It really wasn't that difficult getting into because it pulled back some despite of the thinness. This was a fairly easy trade to get into, and then it had this fairly substantial push up the last hour or two of the day, and we are holding over $2,000 in open trade equity in Genie Energy. If I didn't say that name, this is Genie Energy, not Twiggy, but Genie Energy is thin. Anyway, we'll just have to see how that goes tomorrow. As I say, I'm a little pessimistic about tomorrow because I'm calling the Dow down, but we'll have to see. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.